Imagine a summer evening. The air is warm, filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of laughter. Families are gathered in parks, friends are having picnics, and children are playing games. The sky is painted in hues of orange and pink as the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over everything. The sun has set and the world is dark. The vibrant colors of the day fade into deep blues and blacks. The silhouettes of trees stand stark against the night sky, and a quiet calm settles over the landscape. The stars begin to twinkle, but the night feels still and almost mysterious. Suddenly, tiny lights begin to flicker, dancing in the darkness. These little sparks of light move gracefully, creating a mesmerizing display. It's as if the stars have descended from the sky to join us on Earth, twinkling and shimmering in the cool night air. What are they? They're fireflies, of course. These enchanting insects use their bioluminescence to communicate and attract mates. Each flash of light is a signal, a tiny beacon in the night. Their glow is soft and magical, turning the dark forest into a fairyland. But they're not the only creatures that can light up the night. In the depths of the ocean, jellyfish and plankton create their own light shows. These marine creatures use bioluminescence for various purposes, from attracting prey to deterring predators. The ocean becomes a living canvas of glowing colors and patterns. All around the world, in forests, oceans, and even our own backyards, there are creatures that can produce their own light. This natural phenomenon, known as bioluminescence, is a wonder of the natural world. It can be found in fungi, insects, marine animals, and even some plants. Each species has its own unique way of glowing, adding to the diversity and beauty of our planet. It's like magic, but it's real. The glow of bioluminescent creatures can transform ordinary scenes into extraordinary spectacles. Imagine walking through a forest where the ground sparkles with glowing fungi, or standing on a beach where the waves light up with every crash. These moments are rare and precious, a reminder of the incredible wonders that nature holds. These incredible creatures are bioluminescent, and they're putting on a show for anyone lucky enough to see it. Whether it's fireflies in a meadow, glowing jellyfish in the ocean, or bioluminescent fungi in a rainforest, these natural light shows are a testament to the beauty and complexity of life on Earth. People who witness these displays often describe them as magical and unforgettable. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, come with me as we explore the fascinating world of bioluminescent creatures. We'll dive into the mysteries of how and why these organisms produce light and discover the many ways they use this ability to survive and thrive in their environments. It's a journey that will take us to some of the most beautiful and remote places on Earth. Get ready to be amazed. The world of bioluminescence is full of surprises and wonders. As we embark on this adventure, keep your eyes open and your sense of wonder alive. There's so much to see and learn, and the magic of bioluminescence is just the beginning. Let's go and explore this enchanting phenomenon together. So, what exactly is bioluminescence? It's a fascinating phenomenon that has intrigued scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. It's a big word, but it simply means living light. Imagine walking through a dark forest and suddenly seeing tiny lights flickering around you, like nature's very own fairy lights. These amazing creatures have a special ability to create their own light through a chemical reaction inside their bodies. This reaction involves a substance called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase, which together produce light without generating heat. Think of it like this: they have their own built-in flashlights. But unlike our flashlights, their light is much more efficient and mesmerizing. This light can be different colors depending on the creature. The color of the light is determined by the specific chemical compounds involved in the reaction. Some glow blue, some green, creating an ethereal glow that can light up entire environments, and some even red or orange. These colors can serve various purposes, from attracting mates to warding off predators. It's like a rainbow of living lights. Each bioluminescent organism has its own unique way of using light, making the natural world even more diverse and fascinating. Get ready to meet some of these incredible creatures and learn their secrets. From the tiny fireflies that light up summer nights to the mysterious deep-sea creatures that glow in the dark abyss, each has a story to tell. We'll travel from the depths of the ocean to the forest floor, discovering the magic of bioluminescence together. Along the way, we'll uncover how these organisms use their light for survival, communication, and even camouflage. So join us on this illuminating journey into the world of nature's little lanterns. Let's start with a familiar friend, the firefly. These tiny insects are like little lanterns, lighting up our summer nights. But did you know that fireflies use their light to talk to each other? Each species of firefly has its own unique flash pattern, like a secret code. The males flash their lights to attract females, and the females flash back if they're interested. It's like a romantic dance of light. Next time you see fireflies twinkling in the night, remember that you're witnessing a secret conversation between these fascinating creatures. Now let's dive into the ocean, a world teeming with life and mystery. Here we meet some of the most beautiful bioluminescent creatures of all, jellyfish. These ethereal beings are like living lanterns, illuminating the dark waters with their mesmerizing glow. These graceful creatures drift through the water, moving with a gentle, rhythmic pulse that seems almost hypnotic. Their tentacles trail behind them like shimmering ribbons of light, creating a spectacle that is both enchanting and otherworldly. Some jellyfish use their light to attract prey, luring unsuspecting fish into their grasp with a captivating display of bioluminescence. The unsuspecting fish, drawn to the light, swim closer, only to find themselves ensnared by the jellyfish's delicate yet deadly tentacles. Others use their bioluminescence as a defense mechanism, startling predators with sudden bursts of light. This unexpected flash of light can confuse or scare off potential threats, giving the jellyfish a precious moment to escape. And some even use their light to attract mates in the vast darkness of the deep sea. In the pitch-black depths, these glowing signals help jellyfish find each other, ensuring the continuation of their species. Imagine swimming through a sea of glowing jellyfish, their lights dancing and shimmering all around you. It's a surreal experience, like floating through a galaxy of stars. Their lights shimmer and flicker, creating an ever-changing tapestry of colors and patterns that is truly mesmerizing. It would be like something out of a dream, a magical underwater world where light and life intertwine in the most beautiful ways. The glowing beauties of the deep remind us of the wonders that lie beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered. Mushrooms lighting up the forest floor. Believe it or not, even some mushrooms can glow. These fascinating fungi can be found in forests around the world, their caps and stems emitting an eerie green light. Scientists believe that these mushrooms use their light to attract insects. The insects are drawn to the glow and crawl on the mushrooms, picking up spores. Then the insects fly away, spreading the mushroom spores to new locations. So the next time you're walking through the woods at night, keep an eye out for these magical glowing mushrooms. Fish finding their way in the dark. Deep down in the ocean, where sunlight can't reach, many fish have developed the ability to produce their own light. These fish use their bioluminescence for a variety of reasons, from finding food to attracting mates. Some fish have light organs under their eyes, which they use like headlights to illuminate their prey. Others have glowing lures dangling from their heads, which they wiggle to attract curious fish. It's a world of darkness and light where survival depends on your ability to see and be seen. Squid masters of disguise. Squid are masters of disguise, able to change their skin color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. But did you know that some squid also use bioluminescence to camouflage themselves? These squid have light organs on their undersides that they use to match the moonlight filtering down from the surface. This makes them practically invisible to predators swimming below them. It's like a cloak of invisibility made of light. Creatures of the deep, a world of light. The deep sea is a world of darkness and mystery, but it's also a world of light. In this vast and unexplored realm, bioluminescent creatures are more than just a curiosity. They're an integral part of the ecosystem. From tiny plankton to giant squid, these creatures use their light to survive, communicate, and navigate the dark depths. It's a world that's both beautiful and strange, where the line between science fiction and reality blurs. Why do they glow? The secrets of bioluminescence. We've seen the amazing variety of bioluminescent creatures and the incredible ways they use their light. But how do they actually do it? What's the science behind this magical ability? The secret lies in a chemical reaction that takes place inside their bodies. Imagine a glow stick, where you crack it to mix the chemicals and produce light. Bioluminescent creatures have similar chemicals in their bodies, and they can control when and how they mix them to create their dazzling displays. Talking with light communication and attraction. One of the most fascinating things about bioluminescence is how creatures use it to communicate. Imagine a world without sound, where you had to rely on light to send messages. Fireflies use their flashes to attract mates, while deep-sea fish use their lights to signal to each other in the darkness. Some creatures even use their light to confuse predators, giving them a chance to escape. It's a silent language of light, full of beauty and wonder. A world of wonder, the magic of bioluminescence. From the tiniest firefly to the largest jellyfish, bioluminescent creatures remind us that the natural world is full of surprises. Their ability to create their own light is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. So next time you're out in nature, keep your eyes peeled for these amazing creatures. You never know what you might see. And remember, the world is full of wonder if you know where to look.